Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by clarifying the goal. What feature or app do you actually need and why it matters? Once you know that, evaluate risks, warranty voiding, academic rules, or bricking the unit. Make a full backup of your calculator files and note model and firmware version because that information determines legitimate solutions. You will avoid irreversible damage by thinking ahead. Once done, consider alternatives like official app stores, emulators, or manufacturer support instead of risky modifications. You should move on to practical, non-invasive options. Search official app libraries or authorized third-party apps that meet your needs, since they preserve warranty and stability. If you need advanced computation or debugging, an emulator on your computer often replicates features without touching the device. Also, contact the manufacturer or certified service centers for feature requests or firmware upgrades. They can provide sanctioned methods. These routes explain how to get functionality while avoiding security bypass. To complete the process responsibly, install only sanctioned solutions or revert to official firmware if you experience instability. That keeps warranty options open. Make sure your backups, serial numbers, and purchase records are organized so you can request support. If the device behaves unexpectedly, stop and reach out to an authorized repair service rather than pursuing bypass methods. Troubleshooting tip: if an app causes crashes, restore from your backup and report the issue to the vendor. This prevents escalation into risky, unsupported action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.